Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vfxexpert. So guys, in this today's class we are going to see how to compile VFX Showreel in Davinci Resolve. Let's start the class here. So this is welcome window of Davinci Resolve. So first we have to create a new project. So downside just we have to click on this new project, then give a project name, then we have to click on create. Now just I have created about this new project and this is default interface of Davinci Resolve. Now just we have to click on this settings and simply just we can check over this all these project settings here. Even you can also click on this file and just you can click on this project settings. So simply just you can check all these your project informations here. Then after this we have to import our sort breakdowns, final output, original plates here. So before importing, first just I am going to show you here sort breakdowns. So now we are inside Nuke. So if you will see, this is our actually original sort here and this is our final output here. So before compiling your Showreel, you have to also render out your sort breakdowns here. So suppose this is our original plate, then after this just type remove this green screens, and this is our actually after removing green screens, and this is our actually composite outputs. So all these render elements just we have to render from our this sort. So how you can render your sort breakdowns? So video I have already created and link I have given in video descriptions. All videos link I have given in descriptions. So now just I am going to import all these elements inside Davinci Resolve. Then we will compile Showreel inside Davinci Resolve. So after completing your sort, you have to render your sort breakdowns. So now again we are inside Davinci Resolve. So for importing any footage or breakdown inside Davinci Resolve, just we have to click on this media tab. Because just we have to also import our image sequence. So before importing anything, just simply first we have to click on all these three dots. Then go to this frame display mode and just we have to check this sequence. Then simply just you can go to this drive, then you can select your folder. So this is our actually main folder. So just we have to open and just we have to select all these sorts here. So this is our actually sort number 1. So just we have to open this folder and just simply just we can select. So these are our actually all sort breakdowns. So simply just we can select. So just you can check. So this is our actually all these actually sort breakdowns here. And this is our actually original plate. So if you will click, so you will get this actually sequence here. Then after this just simply just you can select and just you can drag and drop into this media pool here. So just you can select and just drag and drop. So this is actually first option. Second option, direct just you can drag and drop from your folders here into this media pool here. So again this is our actually main folders here. So simply just what you can do, so just you can open this folder and direct just you can select this folder and just simply just you can drag and drop into this media pool here. So this is our actually output folder, just you can select and just you can drag and drop into this media pool here. But remember this one, before this just you have to check this options sequence here. Now again just import all these items here. So these are actually sort breakdowns here. So simply just you can open and just you can import all these sort breakdowns here. So just you can import and then drag and drop into this media pool here. Then after this, if you want, you can just simply just right click here and just create a new bin and just you can give this bin name or folder name. So sort 1 01 and just you can select all these elements and just you can put into this folder here or bin here. So like this just you can create multiple folders and just simply just you can place all these elements according to your sorts here. So now just I am going to put all these sorts inside Davinci Resolve. Now just I have imported all these render breakdowns inside Davinci Resolve. So first here just save our project here and click on file and just simply click on save project here. Now finally just I am going to compile all these breakdowns inside Davinci Resolve. So now before compiling our Showreel, first we have to check our some VFX Showreels. So this is our actually first VFX Showreels here. So now if you will check, so this is our actually starting title or intro titles here. Then after this, these are our actually topic text. Topic text means like rotoscoping, keying or matchmoving, whatever. If you want, you can just simply type. Then after this, and these are actually sorts breakdown. And this is another title like 4-point tracking or screen replacement. And these are actually breakdowns here. So now you can see this final output, and this is our actually overlay text. Like if you see original plate, so this is our actually original plate here. Then sky replacement. So you can now same way this is actually another Showreel. So simply just you can see, and these are actually short breakdowns here. And at last, this is actually last title or outro text here. Software use. So before compiling your Showreel, you have to check multiple Showreel. So easily just we can create a good Showreels here. Okay. So now just I am going to start compiling VFX Showreel inside the Davinci Resolve. So for this, first we have to click on this downside edit tab, and this is actually timelines here. Then after this, just you have to open all these folders, and just simply just we have to place all this element into this timelines here. So first just I am going to create a intro titles here. So for this in left side you will get this toolbox here. Inside this you will get this title. So you will get all the different types of titles here. So simply just you can check all these preview. So this is basic titles. So like this you can check according to requirement. So this title just I am going to take for our this starting titles here. So simply just you can check this preview, then you can select and just simply just you can place into this timelines here. So this is actually a timelines here. So simply just you can select, then right click, go to this timelines, and just you can check this timeline settings here. So simply you can see, so this will automatically take from your this project settings here. Okay, so you can see this huge project settings here. So if you will uncheck, and just you can select according to your requirements here. Even before creating this timeline, just simply you can also change our project settings here. Okay, now just cancel this one here. So these are actually starting title. So simply just we can play and check. So control plus minus, just we can zoom in, zoom out this timeline, and just we can play and check. Then after this we have to actually edit this text here. So simply just we can select, then right side inside this inspector window, so easily just we can edit all these titles here. So simply just we can select, and just we can give a first titles, maybe VFX Showreel. Then go to the second title downside, and just simply just you can type. Now if you will play, so this will come like this. Even you can also adjust this title actually durations here. So if you will see, maybe this will hold a little bit long. So what just I'm going to do, so I'm going to make it a little bit short here. So simply just you can trim like this. Now we'll play and check. Even if not, you can also add audio here. So here I am already imported about this audio. Simply just you can select and just drag and drop into this audio track. Just we can select and just drag and drop here. So now I will play and check. So now simply we can play and check. Even just we can also just create this audio fade in. So maybe till here, suppose I want to just. So this actually totally depends on you how you are presenting your Showreels here. Then after this you can place your shorts, or maybe even before shorts you can also place your actually short titles like rotoscoping king. So this is totally depends on you. So first just I am going to place some shorts here. So simply just open our this short one, and all these actually our king short here. So this is our first king short here. Simply just I am going to place. So this is our original plate. Suppose this is original plate, just simply we can select, then just we can drag and drop. And finally we have to place our final output. So maybe this is our final output here. Simply just we can place. So now just we have to check this one here. Then after this, because these are actually stills here or short breakdowns here, so this is actually totally depends on your Showreel. Maybe if you are creating roto Showreel, so you will render different types of breakdowns. If you are creating maybe compositing Showreel, so you will render different types of short breakdowns here for compositing. So these are actually all stills here. So first just I am going to adjust all these images durations here. So for this what we can do, so if you want to check these images durations, so simply just you can right click on these clips, or you can see our images here, then go to this image durations or clip durations here. Simply you can check this, shortcut Control D. So by default, if you will check, so this is actually 120 frames here. So maybe suppose I want to only make 25 frames. So what we can do, so simply just we can type maybe 25. Now change, so you will get this one here. So like that, just I have selected actually all these images or stills only. Remember this one, I have not selected this final output or actually video here or image sequence here. Okay, so these are actually only just for stills here. Then right click and change clip duration, so make it only just 25 frames or 24, whatever you like. Now just we can click on this change here. Then after this, simply if you want, you can just delete all these gaps. So just select and delete these gaps here, or just simply you can pick and just you can move all these images here. Then after this, just I am going to place some actually transitions here between these images here or these actually breakdowns here. Okay, so if you will again check some stories, so now if you will see actually these are actually breakdowns, so you can see. These are our actually transitions here, so simply just you can check. So all these transitions, same way this is actually on the story. So now after this, again come inside this edit tab here. So what I am going to do, so again in left side toolbox you will get this transitions folder here, which is video transition. So simply just you have to select this edge wipe here. So just you can check this transitions preview here. So now just we have to select and just we have to place in between these cuts here. Okay, just select and just place. So just you can see. So this is our actual transition. So you will get like this. Then after this, what we have to do, so simply just we can select this video transition. Then from inspector panel, just you can change all these parameters and just simply just you can customize these transitions here. So first just I am going to change this angle, so make it 90. So you will get like this. So now you can check. Okay. Then after this, you can also adjust maybe duration. So just make it only 20 frames. Even if you want, you can just simply delete this actually original image because this is a still, and if you want, you can also just place your original page here. So simply just I am going to delete. So again, just before first delete this transition, so just we can see. Okay, now just we can select and just we can just create some gap. Just I am going to place actually over this short one, this sequence here. So this is again original page here. So we can select and just we can drag and drop and just maybe till I think these are actually enough frames here, and simply just we can move and again just simply just we can play. Then after this we can play, so you will get actually this original image here, okay, or original plate here. Then simply again same as just we have to place these transitions. Then we can select this transitions here and just we can adjust all these things. So first make it 90, then again frame maybe 20 frame are sufficient. This is actually transitions durations here. Then now if you will see, actually just I am getting this result here. Now if you want, you can also just enable this border here. So just a little bit just in case, so you will get border like this. Okay, then color you can change according to requirement, maybe black or white here. So maybe I think white are sufficient. Now just we can play and check. Now just first mute this audio here. Then again, suppose if you want to place same transitions in all these actually cuts here, so we can save our all these settings here, whatever just type change like border, direction, all these things here, because if you will place this one, so this will give you again default. So again we have to adjust all these values here. So for this, just what I am going to do, so simply right click on the transitions, then you can click on this create transitions presets, then you can give this a name. Now just click on OK. So this will just save in this custom So you can see this user, and this is actually transitions whatever just I have saved here. Okay, now just simply you can select and drag and drop here. So like this, just we can do fast work here. Now just simply play and check. And you delete this actually blank background here. So this actually totally depends on your presentations here. Okay. So okay, then after this, if you want, you can also just place your overlay text here. Like this is original plate, then this is key out. So now just I'm going to create some overlay titles or text here. So simply for this, what we can do, so again go to this titles category and just select this simple text here. So you can see the basic text, simply just we can select and drag and drop. Then we can adjust this title durations here, and just we can type it here. So maybe original clip, yeah, original plate. Second title. So simply what we can do, so if you want to create a copy of this text, so hold Alt and just move it here. So that this will just create a copy and just we can place, then we can edit. The second one, simply select and just key out. So just I'm going to place our actually all these titles here. So now just we have to check. So here just I have created our actually all these overlay text here. Now just I am going to play and check our the showreels here. So now here after this just I am going to place our other short breakdowns here. So before this, if you want, you can also just create your actually topic text here. So in between just I am going to create a topic text like keying or rotoscoping like this. So just I am going to create a text. So first just I have to check all these animation presets here. So maybe I think this is looking good here. So simply what we can do is just a little bit create some gap. So just select all these layers here and just move a little bit. And then just we can select and just we can place these titles here and just we have to edit. So just we have to check over these animations here. Just mute this track. Just make a little bit fast. Then after this just we have to delete this gap. So simply just we can select this gap and just delete. Now just we have to play and check. And this is just, and this is our actually short breakdowns here. And remaining thing, all these things just text, a duration, all these things that you can adjust according to your requirements here. Now just after this just I am going to place our another short breakdowns here. So suppose rotoscoping or maybe screen replacement. So whatever you like, just simply first you have to place your topic title, then you can place your short breakdowns here. So now again what we can do, so just select this again title, Control C copy, and just maybe come here and just Control V paste, Which we can play, then edit. Then we have to place our this rotoscoping breakdowns here. So again, just go to this sort number, this rotosort here, and just move into this rotosort here. So open this one, so just you can see. So just simply just we can place. Then after this is our actually overlay. So now just we have to place our overlay titles or text here. So again, just simply just we can copy maybe first text. So this again original player, then second one, this is overlay or color overlay. So hold Alt and just create a copy. Now just enable this audio here and just simply play and check. Okay, so now just here I placed all these breakdowns here. Even if you want, you can just create a copy and just you can place all these 4 breakdowns in this 4 box here. So for this, what I am going to do, so again just hold Alt and just create first copy, then select this one, then this transform and adjust this scale, so maybe 50%, 0.5. Then after this, just we can position it according to requirement. Then second one, hold Alt, yes, again just place on top of this layer and again select this one, 0.5, and just again just adjust these positions. So now just we have to play and check. Even if you want, you can also just place all these overlay text here on top of all these 4 boxes here. Okay, so this is actually totally depends on you. So now again just play till here. So also just we have to place our actually transitions here. So again just go to this transitions category. So just select the transition and just simply just we can place in between these 2 clips here. So now if you will place, so this will actually not place at this point here because there is actually no extra frames here. Okay, just I am using this entire clip durations here. So how we can apply actually these transitions here? Simply just select this cut, then right click on the transition, then click on this add to selected edit points and clips. Then we have to click on this trim clips here. So this will apply the transitions and this will trim required frames here. And so this will apply the transitions here. Now simply again go to the second one, then right click. Now just we have to play and check. So now same as just I am going to place our actually final sort breakdowns here. Now again select the transitions and just place. So first here just save our project here. Now we have to click on file and just save project here. So like this just you can add your remaining sorts and sort breakdowns here. Now finally just I am going to create our outro text. So for this, just we have to select this title presets here. So simply just select the titles and just check this presets. So maybe this title, so simply just we can add. Now just we have to check. So just we can type all this text here. Now just we have to check. Now finally just I am going to add our software's names here. So again, if you want, you can use same titles. Otherwise, if you can text actually another title animations or title presets here. Okay. So whatever you like, just simply just you can add. And remaining software's name just you can add according to your requirements here. Now just select this audio and simply take this razor tool and just cut this one and just delete this extra audio here. Then after that, just you can adjust. Even you can also fade out this audio. Even you can also fade out this text here. And finally just you can add your title, maybe thanks for watching. So this is actually again same, totally depends on your presentation, how you are presenting your stories. Now just finally just I'm going to check our final stories here, and remaining adjustment just you can do according to a requirement here. Now just we have to play and check our final stories here. So now finally just I am going to render this Showreels here. So now downside you will get this deliver options here. So simply just we have to click here. Then first you can select this file name. Then you can select your location. So now just I have selected this H drive. Then this is file name. Now just we have to click on save. Then video. Just we have to select this format. So maybe QuickTime or maybe MPG4. So here I have selected this QuickTime. Then codec H264. And this is your actually output resolutions, which this will automatically take from your project settings here. Now finally just I am going to render on these default settings here. Then also just you can check about this audio. So audio already checked here. Now finally just I am going to render this Showreels. So just we have to click on this add to render queue. Then downside we have to click on this render all. So now here render is completed. Now just we have to check our final Showreels. So guys, like this you can compile your VFX Showreel inside Davinci Resolve, and remaining things that you can adjust according to your requirements here. So guys, if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel. So thanks for watching.